Good morning. Welcome to today's class. As I can see, everybody's in. For the last session, we looked at data and we said that data is referred to as the raw facts which are not meaningful to the user. We looked at the different types of data. We looked at the primal data and the secondary data. We say that the primal data is the first-hand information or the type of data collected by the researcher himself or herself. And the secondary data, we say that this is the type of data collected by someone else, like data in the books, in the magazines, or in the journals. So I think that's what we looked at last time. So for today's session, we are going to look at sampling. And by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to explain the meaning of the term sampling and also identify the different types of sampling. So let's start from the definition of the term sampling. Who can tell us what sampling? Yes, Lydia. What sampling? Try. Yes, that's correct. Sampling refers to the process of selecting the group you will actually collect data from in your research. As you know, research needs a lot of information. You alone, you cannot get together all the information. So you have to look for a group of people whom you will go and collect data from. Yeah, that's great. So, in a few minutes, like 2, I'm going to show you a clip video. You will watch the video and note down the types of sampling you are going to observe. So let's start watching the video and please be faster. Yes. Are you through? Just continue. Okay, I think now you are through. In your groups, I'm giving you 2 minutes and discuss what you have identified and also note down. Okay, go into your groups very fast. Yes, start discussing and do it quick. Okay, I think you are through. Group 1. What have you identified from the clip? Yes, Joshua? Okay, that's correct. Joshua is saying that they identify the different types of sampling. Group 1 member, who can tell us the types of sampling identified? Yes, 1. Yes, Jane? Yeah, that's correct. They identify the probability type of sampling. What about it? Yes, Joshua? Yeah, that's correct. The probability type of sampling, this is the type of sampling where every member in the population has an equal chance to be selected. All has an equal chance to participate in the exercise. So that's correct. So this type of sampling has 4 main types of sampling. The first one is the simple random sampling. So for the simple random sampling, this is the type of sampling every member in the population has an equal chance of being selected. The second one is the systematic sampling. This is the type of sampling where members are chosen at irregular intervals. The third one is the stratified sampling. This type of sampling involves dividing the population into a subpopulation. The fourth one is the cluster sampling. So this is the type of sampling where individuals are selected randomly. That's all about the probability sampling. Group 2. Tell us what you identified about the type of sampling. Yes, Becky. That's correct. They identified the non-probability type of sampling. What about it? Yes, Joyce? Yeah, that's correct. For the probability type of sampling, this is the type of sampling where individuals are selected in an random way. Not every member has a chance to be selected. So the non-probability type of sampling also has some types. It has the convenience sampling, it has the quarter sampling, and also it has the purposive sampling. So that's what we have looked today about sampling. So for your assignment, we go and explain the importance of various types of sampling. Do that assignment and we meet in the next lesson. Thank you.